The money market is a component of the economy that provides short-term funds. The money market deals in short-term loans generally for a period or year or less. As short-term securities become a commodity, the money market becomes a component of the financial market for assets involved in short-term borrowing, lending, buying and selling with original maturities of 1 year or less. Trading in money market is done over the counter, and its overdraft definition is when the account holder can do a transaction even though their account balance is zero.
For market player, individuals aged between 18 until 70 are eligible to use Maybank Overdraft. This overdraft can be used for students who need for their cost of education and to people who are just start a new business. For specific age, which is 18 until 21, must provide supporting documentation from their parents to open an account. Other than that, Maybank Overdraft also provides the service to the holder of fixed deposit, general investment account, profit now account, ASB and ASM2 wawasan units. This is consisting of individuals who want investment options with fixed interest rates. Also, the business that looking for stable investment for their financial. The reason people take bank overdraft that being provided by Maybank is for their own personal and contingency use for a purpose such as home improvement, medicine and education. This means a negative event caused by something unexpected such as natural disasters, epidemics attacks and economic collapse. The cost of home improvement is very high, which requires individuals to use previous Maybank overdraft to extend their operation. In addition, this Maybank overdraft can cover the medical costs that we cannot anticipate the illness we face and the costs we will bear in the future. In terms of education, for example, a child or individual who decides to continue studying needs. Next is for personal investment. This investment is made to increase our money by investing it in assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This is being done to save our assets for the future and to fund educations. This action is a wise decision to determine how much risk we can accept and bear, as well as how we want to use our money in the long run. Furthermore, by investing, we can better understand the financial market and develop personal financial skills, thus being able to control finance by better managing and planning the financial future. The other reason is to purchase of assets or property and remortgage of property for additional funds. This means by obtaining a second loan using the property they own as collateral. The Maybank Overdraft is a loan product offered by the bank. It allows for withdrawals more than their account balance and charges interest on balances more than the actual amount in the account. All of these are financial tools that help people manage their money.
Now let's move on to the benefits of Maybank. One of the benefits of Maybank is a minimum collateral of Rm10,000. A statement stating minimum collateral of Rm10,000 implies that a borrower must provide a minimum collateral worth Rm10,000 for a loan or credit facility. Lowering the collateral limits improve financial inclusion, promote GDP growth, and reduce entry barriers, allowing borrowers from diverse backgrounds to access financial assistance. Next is no guarantor required. No guarantor required refers to a financial arrangement where the borrower doesn't need a guarantor to cover debt if they default. This can enhance privacy and allow debtors to manage their finance independently. However, borrowers should still consider loan terms and conditions, and lenders may have more stringent creditworthiness evaluation requirements. Now let's move to characteristic does a Maybank have. The first characteristic is a minimum financing amount argues that the minimum amount that can be financed or deposit for specific financial product such as fixed deposit, Islamic fixed deposit, general investment account and premium saving account is Rm 30,000. The minimum amount that can be financed or invested in certain financial products such as the ASM2 Wawasan Unit and the Amanah Saham Bumi Putra Unit is Rm 10,000. Next, implies that the security limit determines the maximum amount that can be financed for products like fixed deposit, Islamic fixed deposit, general investment account, and premium saving account. This means that 200,000 units of Amanah Saham Bumi Putra may be the maximum amount that can be financed. And lastly, it suggests that the maximum amount that can be financed for Amanah Saham Bumi Putra unit is limited to 200,000 unit.
So, next about maturity period. Maybank offer a short-term borrowing option called overdraft or cash line. With no commitment fee on the unutilized portion, the minimum tenure is 3 months, extendable up to 5 years and renewable upon maturity. The overdraft maturity date is the deadline for full repayment, specified in the agreement but subject to change based on the account holder circumstances. To avoid penalties, account holder must be aware of this date and ensure timely repayment. Any necessary extension or changes shall be discussed with the bank directly. For precise detail, it's advisable to consult with a Maybank representative or refer to the overdraft agreement terms.
By maintaining securities with short maturities, the money market plays an important role in supporting short-term financing. This market offers advantages like fast access to funds, low default rates, and higher returns than cash holding because of its low-risk instrument and high liquidity. Maybank is a popular financial company in Malaysia that offers a variety of financial services involving the facility of overdraft. Maybank also is an acknowledged player in the industry. The bank dedicated to providing affordable and trustworthy financial solutions and its goal to humanize financial service, which is consistent with its goals. Hence, it actively takes part in the money market. Up to setting the credit limit, the term of a bank overdraft involves enabling customers to withdraw more money than their account balance. In summary, Maybank Overdraft facility is financial instrument that give people and businesses access to flexible short-term financing. Making wise financial decisions when using Maybank Overdraft service requires understanding the features, advantage, eligibility, requirements, and market conditions.